Gmail, you're the inspiration behind this rap I dedicate to you. Since switching to Gmail, no more bitching about Hotmail or spam mail on AOL. No longer have to cringe when mongas come and infiltrate my system. Was it my fate to share the space with them? I was irate from pests and infestations, showing up without an invitation. I used to shout and blow up from abrupt interruptions, pop-ups and unwanted obstructions. I wanted advertisements relevant to the content of what's sent and received. I felt attacked and bereaved. My inbox was stacked with myriad scams. I was weary and crammed till Google outfoxed and tampered with their plans and pampered me entirely for free. An incredible, indelible feat. Should we ever meet on the street casually? Remember, G, drinks are on me.